Hey everyone, this is Alec from Revival Cycles, and welcome to another edition of Revival 101, where we discuss basic maintenance, a little bit of troubleshooting, and minor modifications to your motorcycle. Today we will be installing bar end mirrors. Bar end mirrors are pretty easy to install. This particular brand, these Halcyons, they come with shims just in case you have 1-inch bars, but this bike has 7/8, so that's what we're going with. The way these work is you slide these into the end of your bars, and as you tighten this bolt at the end, these expand and twist up and basically make it a tight, locked fit inside. That's how they work. So let's install this guy. So the first thing we need to do is put holes in these grips to accept the bar end mirrors. You can do it with the grips on the bike if your grips don't want to come off. Sometimes they get really stuck on there, or if you just don't feel like taking them off and you really like the grips that are on there, that's fine too. But in this instance, we're going to take the grips off because usually with a little bit of compressed air, they should come off fairly easily. And that one did. So now we're going to go over to the workbench and I'll show you how to poke a hole in this grip. So the easiest way I've found to put holes at the end of grips is actually cut a piece of 7/8 pipe and file down the end to give it a nice little sharp edge. It's going to go right inside the grip, but first I'm going to put a little bit of WD-40 in it just to get it going. And there we have it. Just like that. And you can actually do this with the grip still on the bike from the outside. The way I've done that is I actually take a pop torch and heat this up, and then basically once it gets hot enough, you put it on there and it melts it right away. But this way you can line it up a little better because it goes right inside of the grip. Now that we have a hole in our grip and we've cleaned all the WD-40 out with a little bit of soap and water, it's time to put the grip back on the bar and we can install our brand new bar end mirrors. Now, putting the grip on is the exact opposite of taking it off. A little bit of compressed air goes right on. Now, I know not everybody has compressed air, and that's fine. You can use soap and water, you can use a little bit of hairspray, something that'll dry out and not leave a really oily residue, otherwise your grips won't really seat right. So, now we can take the bar and mirror, slide it in the end, tighten it up, and it's on. Now make sure you get it on there pretty tight. You don't want it shaking loose. Now all you really have to do is adjust your mirror to however you want to see behind you when you're sitting on the bike. That's pretty much it for installing bar end mirrors. If you guys have any other questions about mirrors or bar and turn signals or anything like that, feel free to let us know. Or if you want to see something else, just shoot us an email. Thanks a lot and be safe. I like how I get out of the frame like it's going to refresh me. Okay. Hey everybody, this is Alec from Revival Cycles, and today we're going to be discussing John Bump. On there. Bumblebee tuna. Oh God, what a dick. Steve. Can I just tell you how much pizza I ate? Shit was awesome. 38, still eating pizza like it's fucking nothing.